What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Oppo has unveiled its new Reno 12 Pro. Now opening the box. At the first you will find Reno 12 Pro. Guys, subscribe my channel and click bell icon for more latest videos. Thanks. The high-end smartphone in the series offers some of the most advanced and futuristic features. And there will be a plastic back cover and USB Type-C cable. 80-watt fast charging adapter. The smartphone will run on Android 14 operating system with 5G connectivity and IP65 dust and water resistant. That makes this phone a best choice who want a best phone in affordable price. Now specifications. First start from battery. The Oppo Reno 12 Pro is equipped with an 80-watt fast charging head and a battery capacity of 5000 mAh, which is quite satisfactory. The Oppo Reno 12 Pro has one of the best MediaTek Dimensity 9200 chipset and a 3.1 GHz octa-core CPU, allowing you to experience unbeatable performance and speed. In addition to the Oppo Reno 12 Pro, there will be two massive RAM options, 12 GB and 16 GB, with 256 and 512 GB of internal memory capacity to store a collection of your data. In terms of screen parameters, Oppo Reno 12 Pro offers a large 6.7 inches display screen size, 89.5% screen to body ratio, and there is an AMOLED touchscreen display, 1200 nits peak brightness with an HD plus resolution of 1080 by 2412 pixels, 394 ppi, and a smooth refresh rate of 120 Hz and 240 Hz touch sampling rate with a protection of Corning Gorilla Glass. The camera lovers are going to be pleased with the new Reno 12 Pro since it carries a triple camera setup at the rear and lens configurations are 50 megapixel wide angle main camera lens, f1.8 equivalent focal length 26 mm. Photo shooting supports up to 2x hybrid optical zoom, up to 20x digital zoom as a product with photography as its main selling point. The frontness of Oppo Reno 12 Pro is naturally not weak. It is a 50 megapixel super sensitive cat eye lens, f2.05 lens, f1.8 equivalent focal length 26 mm 5 lens, support f and uses an open loop focus motor which can ensure very good effects when taking videos and selfies. I really like the appearance design of Oppo Reno 12 Pro. The slightly curved surface and right angle frame are all popular things nowadays. The straight screen can and it is comfortable to hold. Oppo Reno 12 Pro's main feature terms of photography. This time is live photo, which is the live photo on iOS. The strange thing is that Android and iOS have always copied each other. I don't know why this time live photo was first made by the Reno 12 series on the Android side today. There will be under display optical fingerprint reader to protect your phone from unauthorized person. If talk about the colors, there will be three colors, black, purple and rose gold. Now finally take a look price. The price will be 470 United dollars and this is the affordable price of this class. That's all for now and thanks for watching.